Have you ever thought about making money online? Imagine earning $400 to $800 for just a single 30 to 60-second screencast video. It's true. Many freelancers are cashing in on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's talk about why screencasting is so hot right now. With new AI businesses starting every day, startups need professionals. They require screencasters for essential tasks like app tutorials, product demos, and training videos. But here's the catch. There's a significant talent shortage. Many people lack the skills to produce clean, professional screencast videos. It's not just about recording. It's about knowing how to create clarity, add voiceovers, and use zoom effects effectively. The good news: screencasting is a skill that AI can't replicate. It relies on human understanding and narration. Those who master this skill can easily make $3,000 to $5,000 a month just from screencasting. Sadly, many video editors miss this opportunity. They focus mainly on traditional editing. They don't know how to deliver quality screencasting services, which can lead to lost income. To help you break into this lucrative field, I've developed a comprehensive course, Screencasting Mastery with Movavi OBS Studio. This course is designed to take you from beginner to income-ready professional in just 4 hours. It includes practical projects, AI voiceover training, and guidance on how to monetize your services on Fiverr or Upwork. This course is ideal for YouTubers, educators, freelancers, and anyone eager to earn online. Here's what you will learn. You'll discover how to record website walkthroughs, tutorials, and product demos. You'll gain hands-on experience with Movavi Screen Recorder and OBS Studio, powerful and popular tools. You'll complete projects like a website tour or product demo. You'll learn to edit videos professionally, enhance them with AI voiceovers, and create polished, final products. You'll build a freelance portfolio allowing you to start earning right away. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate and a downloadable cheat sheet for quick reference. And for just $25, add optional items to enhance your skill set, such as a custom CV reflecting your new abilities and a digital student ID card, excellent for establishing trust with future clients. The course is priced at $99, but right now, you can enroll for only $79. This is a limited time discount. So who should sign up? YouTubers, online educators, freelancers, digital marketers, and anyone wanting to make money online. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to create professional screencasts, build a stunning digital portfolio, and launch freelance services to start earning right away. Are you ready to turn your skills into income? Enroll in the Transform Academy Screencasting Mastery program today and grab your $20 discount before it's gone. The link is in the description. If you found this information useful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to succeed online.